Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Paws Coin Price Prediction. What's next for $PAWS? The world of cryptocurrency is buzzing with excitement, and right at the center of the action is $PAWS. Backed by the powerhouse Solana blockchain, this meme coin is creating waves as it gears up for its highly anticipated launch. With a total supply of 100 billion tokens, the crypto community is on the edge of their seats, wondering just how high $PAWS can climb in the crowded meme coin market. In this video, we're diving deep into what the future holds for $PAWS, its launch date, exchange rumors, and price predictions. What should traders and investors expect from $PAWS once it hits the market? Let's break it down. What we know so far, key facts about Paws. Here's a quick rundown of the most important details so far. Total supply, 100 billion tokens. Blockchain, powered by Solana, $SOL. Launch date speculation. Let's dig into when $PAWS could go live. The countdown to launch. When will Paws drop? Crypto enthusiasts are hunting for clues to the token's launch date, analyzing every tweet from the official Paws community for hints. Some eagle-eyed followers have speculated that the XX in a teaser post points to March 20th, Roman numeral for 20. While others think it could be a Tuesday launch, with potential dates like March 4th, 11th, 18th, or 25th floating around. Will Paws be listed on Binance first? One of the most exciting aspects of $PAWS launch is the buzz around exchange listings. While we don't have official confirmation yet, there's chatter that top exchanges like Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and NBXC could be among the first to list $PAWS. A Binance listing, in particular, could send this token soaring, attracting a massive wave of early investors. Paws price prediction. Can it compete with other meme coins? Let's take a closer look at how $PAWS might perform in the early stages, using Hamster Combat, $HMSDR, as a point of comparison. Both tokens have a total supply of 100 billion, and $HMSDR launched between $0.009 and $0.010, so we could see a similar price range for $PAWS at launch. Short-term price prediction. What to expect in the first few weeks. When $PAWS goes live, here's what we can expect. Initial price range, $0.009 to $0.010. Price movement. Early volatility is likely, with $PAWS potentially testing resistance levels between $0.012 to $0.015 during the first week. What will drive this? Early demand from investors, excitement around the launch, exchange listings, and the overall market sentiment. Midterm price prediction, 1 to 3 months post-launch. Looking ahead to the first few months after launch, $PAWS could follow in $HMSDR's footsteps, experiencing steady growth. Here's the forecast. Projected price, $0.015 to $0.025. Growth catalysts. A thriving community and growing social media presence. Listings on major exchanges like Binance, OKX, or Bybit. Favorable market conditions in the altcoin space. If demand continues to surge, we might even see $PAWS push beyond the $0.025 mark. But liquidity and continued interest will be key. Long-term price prediction, 6 to 12 months ahead. As we look further into the future, things get even more interesting. The success of $PAWS will depend on its utility, widespread adoption, and the overall market momentum. Projected price, $0.030 to $0.050. Key growth drivers. Major exchange listings boosting liquidity. Expanding the Paws community and increasing adoption. A bullish crypto market cycle lifting meme coins to new heights. However, if the market turns bearish, we could see $PAWS hovering between $0.015 to $0.025 for a longer period. So, market conditions will be a big factor. What could influence $PAWS price? Several factors could determine how high $PAWS can go. Exchange listings. A listing on Binance or other major exchanges would give $PAWS the liquidity it needs to really take off. Community engagement. A strong, active community could propel $PAWS to the next level, especially with meme coins relying heavily on social media. Market sentiment. If the altcoin market is booming, $PAWS could exceed expectations. However, a downturn could slow its momentum.